Well, this is my mind. I don't know why this camera's following me in my mind. Well, anyways. Oh, yeah. I was just dreaming about Dennis Daly and him playing Roblox. I wish I could see him. He's the best YouTuber. Check out his channel. Well, anyways, this is what I do, and let's see everything. Oh my gosh. When is the toy bus that those people that my people, the kids, annoying kids always bring to me? Ugh.
Hey kitty, it's time to go.
Oh, she's here. Oh, I hate how they hold me. Well, at least the bus always takes me to the food. I was hungry. And I'm going to use the bathroom, doing my business and stuff. I have plans. You know, I just hated when that vet did surgery to me when I got those kittens.
Baby, why are you being a bad girl today? You want me to hold you downstairs today?
Yeah, I'd rather be holding downstairs. I wish you could read my mind, though. That would be awesome.
Okay, I think she wants to hold.
Oh my gosh, this is the best day of my life. Well, actually, I hate being holding. Well, never mind. Okay, just hurry up. I love her music. Only she could hear me. That always comes out of me sometimes.
You go, baby. Oh, let me bring your food closer. Baby, you're supposed to eat, not...
No, I need to go litter. Take me to my litter box. Call the Humane Society.
Sure, baby. Eat food.
I need to go to the bathroom. Take me to the bathroom.
Maybe you want to go to the bathroom.
Oh my gosh, is she reading my mind?
Here, baby, you want to go to the bathroom?
Okay, give me privacy and get out.
Okay, baby, I'll give you some privacy.
2 minutes later.
Okay, baby, are you done yet? Oh, baby's done. Okay, good girl. Let's go to your food now. I think you're hungry.
Oh, I am not hungry. I want to go outside and kill the squirrels.
No. You're eating your food. You're not food.
Wait, do the queen cat thing again now, please.
After you eat, I think you're hungry. Eat.
Wait, is she reading my mind? Wait, I remember that. What was that package that came in? Oh, she can read my mind.